Hi guys, sorry for not uploading for a while. I have been busy with my studies. So for today's video, I'll be introducing another string trick, which is the front mount. It is the base to many tricks such as this and this. But you cannot learn these tricks without learning the base trick or base form of it first, which is this one. And that's what I'm gonna be teaching for today's video. So first, of course, throw a downward sleeper. And now there are two ways to do this. The easy way and the hard way. I'm gonna be teaching both of them. So first is the easy way. You just put your non-yo-yo finger behind the string and then overlap it in the yo-yo's bearing. And that's the easy way. Now the hard way is you need a bit more practice if you're a beginner. Is you have to slide. So practice this sliding motion first, because you're gonna slide and then overlap the yo-yo. So slide like that. Slide like that. Many beginners, they miss like that. So that's why you need to practice this motion first before finally putting it into the mount. And yeah, again, this is how to do the easy way. You do and then hard way, like that. And yeah, that is all for today's video. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. Bye.